What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Mr. Steven FS, and this is Bitcoin Part 8. Bitcoin Part 8 is just a series of different parts I'll be giving on Bitcoin. When I say Bitcoin is going to crash to 95k, and if you have been following my videos when I said Bitcoin is going to crash to 95k, or you're just seeing my video for the first time, I want you to go to my YouTube channel at Mr. Steven FS and watch all the videos I've released: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. They are all in one videos, and there's part 6, there's part 7, which is the entry point of Bitcoin. Now I'm showing you exactly, this is part 8, what Bitcoin is doing currently before it crashed to 95k, or what it's doing currently to crash to 95k. So without wasting much of time, I want you, let's go straight to the screen where I show you exactly what Bitcoin is gonna do next. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to click go to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you always get updates whenever I release new videos. Alright, and you could click the link on my bio to also join my Telegram community, where I give you the overall version of all your currency, all your favorite currency pair, and I'm always live on TikTok by 10 p.m. from Monday to Friday, showing you the overall direction of the market and educating you, giving you tips on how you could become a successful forex trader. And God bless you. Let's go straight to the screen. All right, guys, so we are currently on our screen, and what is currently happening in the market right now. And like I showed you, I said Bitcoin actually broke this very area, so we started selling from here. And I told you about this very area, the 101k, that price is definitely going to bounce from. Actually, it reacted at this very area we're talking about right here. This area was it was the 30% area fib level. So price tried to go beyond it. And everyone thought, oh, I also thought it was just a continuation of the sell movement. All right. I actually went short on it and I left the market. Then I also saw that this very level could hold. All right. It could hold because it needed to. We needed to, so we can actually fully get a complete correction and before the major impulse. All right. This is very essential because um you know what is happening here is a double top, a double bottom, and price created this double bottom, and this was the neckline. And price is definitely going to break the neckline, so you can complete this very area. Then we are looking at for a shorting opportunity on Bitcoin. And this is also applicable to Ethereum as well. So this video is definitely going to be short. And like I name it, as I said, it's called the pullback. So basically, what is currently going on here is the correction of this very impulse. All right, the correction, and it's gonna get to this very area. I don't think it's gonna crash from here. No, it's gonna get to this very area, gain stability before it goes berry. So where we are looking at for a shorting opportunity on this very area, we're looking at for at this zone. This is where we're looking at for a shorting opportunity at this zone area right here, while our take profit will be this very area. This is just about 1:4, and this is very, very important. So the pullback has actually begun. I'm supposed to do this video even before the major pullback right now, but I've been very so busy, and I need to create time to be able to do what I'm doing right now. So for the Bitcoin, you could see price actually broke from this very correction right here, and after forming the double bottom, it needed to continue the correction. All right. So we got the impulse, the double bottom right here, price rejected at this very level I spoke to you about, and retesting this very level, and it's back to this major area we are looking at to go short. All right. So we're going to see exactly where the Bitcoin is actually going to. So we're going to use our fib level so I can show you exactly where we're taking the profit. So for those who are actually going bullish on it, you should be taking the profit still at the area I told you about. This is our major area of concern. This is our major area. This is the area we are going short on Bitcoin. So from this area, we should be expecting Bitcoin to crash to 95K. All right. So that's where you should be expecting Bitcoin. So like I always said, I gave you guys this illustration, price getting to this very area, bouncing back. If you have watched my part 7, bouncing back to this very area and going what bearish. So that's exactly what the market is currently doing right now. And I want you to take good use of this opportunity. And when that is done, then we'll be able to get the full structure of the market. And the full structure of the market is that price created from the high to the lower low, then we have the lower high. Then after this little retest, then we'll fully have the next lower low. All right, this is what price we currently do. So if you're taking opportunity on Bitcoin, I want you to look for a shorting opportunity around this very area. I'm going to notify everyone in my community. It's already close to that area, so we can go short. So this week we are going short of Bitcoin. The moment price has given us, we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity, maybe a candlestick formation, a buy opportunity around this very zone, so we can fully go short from this very zone area, go short on Bitcoin. All right. So get ready, get ready. So we now have a full trend of the market. All right. So that is exactly what it is. So some persons might ask, what if price it happens, because you might not be in control of the market. What if it happens, then price goes so bearish, so bullish, and they reacted at this level and break this very area? You see, the moment price breaks this very area, right? Probably it will not give a confirmation, back confirmation at this area. The moment it breaks this very area and we test it, then we are going short, we are going bullish on Bitcoin. So you know the structure, the market structure has actually shifted. So the only way that Bitcoin, we're going to look for a shorting opportunity, because what we have was just from this very area. All right, we sold right from this very area. So what we just did was just a tip of an iceberg. It was just little. So this second entry is the major move of the market. So after this pullback we're having right here, and price decided to react at this point without confirmation and break this very structure, then the plan of Bitcoin going crashing to 95K wouldn't work again. It wouldn't, never and ever. It wouldn't work again. So we will be looking for a retest and going bullish on Bitcoin. And from that onwards, Bitcoin continually remain bullish in the structure. It continually remain bullish in the structure. So we're going to take note of that. And there is high chances for Bitcoin to go bearish than what I just showed you now. So there's high chances for Bitcoin to, after completing this very area, when we got to look for a shorting opportunity. So we need the sell confirmation, then we'll go for a shorting opportunity. So if you want to get more info, you have to be in my community, so I can always show you and give you more info alongside. All right. So we're expecting Bitcoin to go more bearish. So thank you for watching. And if you're watching this video right now, I want you to click on the subscribe button so you can turn on post notification and always get updated whenever I release my videos. God bless you. And this is the pullback. This is the correct pullback on Bitcoin. All right. So We got a pullback right now, and we're expecting price after this very pullback I just showed you right now at this very zone. Then we're gonna go straight to a major impulse on Bitcoin. So we're looking at the 1.618 area, which is our zone where we're expecting Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is going to crash from. So if this could not hold, if this very level could not hold, and Bitcoin actually crashed, it will going straight to 75, 76K. And that is still very 100% possible because we are still on the bearish market. So always take a clear observation and keep being in the community and be active. All right. So right now, what is going on Bitcoin and on the daily around this very zone right here on the daily time frame, you can see it right there. So because the market there's an indecision right here, so prices cannot just go bearish after an indecision. You need to have a remark from this very correction right here. So we definitely were going bearish from this very area. So we need a strong engulfing candle from the 4 hours time frame or even the daily time frame to go bearish to these are very structured. So like I said, we're going to have a correct structure of a bearish lower low, higher low, and fully lower low. All right, so this is the full structure on Bitcoin. And in my next video, I'm going to be dropping the entry, the second entry. So, we got the first entry right here. So, like I showed you, if you have followed my part 6 or my part 6, you're going to see that I showed you guys regarding the second entry. I literally showed you guys that the second entry will be from this very area, right? The second entry will be from this very area after price has gotten to the very area of concern. Then our second entry is going to be at this very area where we're going short. So this is our major entry. So the first entry was just to take some money. The second entry is the major money. All right. So I want you to get ready, get ready, get ready. While we go short on Bitcoin. All right. So for those who are day traders who are looking out for the opportunity to buy Bitcoin, it's not still late. All right. This structure you could, for day traders to buy to this very level right here. So taking advantage of this very level, and you can see that the price has actually broken the 100. All right. So you can start buying from this very area to the 1.618 area where I told you we were going short. So get ready. Price can even extend to this very zone right here. And while we go short on Bitcoin. So get ready and get ready, get ready, get ready. So we trade the overall direction of the market. And so we could definitely, be on the more of the winning side. Okay. So get ready, get ready. Like I said, I was actually expecting Bitcoin to because of the momentum I saw, I was actually expecting Bitcoin to go more bearish from there until I saw how weak it was and the rejection, the rejection of the daily time frame. We got some level of consolidation at this very area. All right. So there was so many indecision right at the zone, so much indecision right at the zone. You could see it. So it's not possible for price to go bearish after making this indecision. It needed to go more bullish. So we could look for a bearish opportunity right here. And we have it. So that is the structure. So where are we looking at for after the pullback? So this is the pullback of the market. So where exactly are we looking at for? We are currently looking at for price to go bearish this area right here. So for those who are day trading, you can see that this is currently an engulfing. All right, price actually engulfed this very base right here. Price engulfed it. So on Monday, which today is Sunday, actually doing this video late. I'm supposed to do it on Saturday, so I'm very much busy. All right, so Monday we're expecting the next bullish candle right here to be completed, or if this candle is has a lot of momentum, it will complete it right here. All right, it will complete it right here. Okay, so we could see a completion right here. If this candle has a lot of momentum, it will be. But if it doesn't, we should be expecting by Monday, Tuesday, this level should be completed. Then we are now looking at for a shorting opportunity around this very zone right here to go fully short on Bitcoin. So get ready. I'll keep updating you guys. Get ready. I hope you've seen this video very useful. I want you to click on the subscribe button and see you on the other side. God bless you. Let's do it lovely. Peace and love.